So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can purchase TikTok coins. And this guide is going to be step by step, so do not even skip a single second. So first of all, you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile, and after that you have to tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works absolutely the same for both of the devices. And after going into these three lines, the second option in this list is balance. So you gotta tap on balance. Now if you have not purchased any of the coins up to the day, then first coin purchase offer will be valid for you and you will get cheaper coins. Now for recharging them, you have to tap on either on this number of coins, or you can also tap on first coin purchase offer if you are buying it for the first time. But let's tap on the zero number of coins. I don't need them, but I'm doing it just for showing you the results. Now you have to select how many coins do you want. The price is written in my country's currency under the coins. For example, 20 coins cost me 80 rupees, which is almost $0.3. So just after selecting the number of coins you want, you have to tap on recharge, and after that it will ask you for the payment details. Now if you have not added the payment details, then you may face difficulty on this step. So let's minimize TikTok app before doing it, and first of all you have to open up your app store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up Play Store if you are on Android. The steps are almost similar on both of the devices, so just keep following. And after that you have to tap on your profile picture available at the top right corner of the screen, and after that you have to tap on your name available on your app store. This will open up your Play Store or App Store ID. And after that you have to go to manage payments, and here you will get an option to add your payment method. As you can see, I have already added a MasterCard, but if you have not added it, you can tap on this add payment method button, and here you have to type in the card number. The accepted formats are Visa or MasterCards. If you don't have any bank card, you can install SadaPay or NayaPay applications, and you can contact them to get a virtual bank card number which you can use here. Next you have to add its expiry date. It is also written on the card, and CVV is also given to you with the bank card that will be awarded with your bank account. So this is the way to add a payment method. As you have done it, now you have to open TikTok again and tap on recharge. And as soon as you confirm this payment, your card will be charged for rupees 80, and including tax, it will be almost 82 to 83 rupees in my currency. So that's the whole process for buying TikTok coins. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.